everyone, cheers for returning. So as you can see, spinning around in front of you is one finished Kitbox PZY Ferrari SF90xx Spider. Same as the Stradale kit, went together really well. Really nice details with the mix of livery options that you can do, all the PE parts, the options of two sort of different style wheels, the really nice touch, which I hope they continue with on their kits, the resin wipers, which we'll have a look at in a minute. Yeah, it's all together nice kit, goes together really well. So with this one, quick run over, we went with the Bainco Fuji sort of pearl white. Didn't fancy doing a red Ferrari. I've just done the race livery one on the Stradale. See the white on Firescale and thought, yep, we'll give that a go. It's something a bit different. Titanium gold for the wheels, for the air vents. I see a little bit of a gold tint in the pearl, so I thought the gold would sort of work nicely against that. We went with the clear gloss 2K, and then that was wet sandy back with some God hand sponges, then polished up with Firescale polishing compounds. No carbon fibre on this after the slight accident I had where it reacted, which was something I did. So it's primer black just for the trims, the vents, the front splitter, and then interior is primer black and chocolate leather as well, which I think worked quite well against the body colour, sort of a nice little bit of contrast. And then end up using the white kit decals for the headrests and the white seat belts that were included, just sort of carry the white theme over. So yeah, it's really nice kit, went together really well. Sort of looks nice up against the red version. So yeah, just having a quick look over. Obviously the biggest thing missing with the kit is the rear wing. I said before, that's a bit deliberate. After doing the Porsche without a rear wing, I quite like the look of that, so I thought I'd give the Ferrari a go as well. And I think it's quite nice. Different shape, different style to it. Oh, wrong way. Yeah, different shape, different style to it. And so the back end went with the gold on over the sort of the heat part around the exhaust. Number plates, they were done in the carbon ceramic like I normally do on these style plates, and then scrape back. The wheels, so they were carbon ceramic brakes, titanium gold. Lucky enough on this one, all four of the little tyre valves, they managed to make it on all four wheels. I was quite lucky I hadn't drilled them in before I broke the other set of wheels. So yeah, so it's gone together well. Colour contrast, I think, worked quite nice together. I'm really happy with how this one's come out. It's not perfect. There are a few sort of errors and mistakes on there, but I say all my builds have got a problem or two somewhere, so it goes well with the others. So what I'll do is I'll put up a few finished build pics and we'll start looking at the next one that's going to be up. I'm not sure what it is yet, so it'll be a bit of a surprise as we go. But thank you very much for watching. I'll say there'll be a couple of pics after this, and I'll speak to you all soon. Thank you.